must be grateful for the countless blessings of Allah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal barasi wal jununi wal judhami was sayyil asqam.
I request you all to stand in reverence and sing along.
I am a citizen of the city school. My motto is I am to learn.
The words of the day are epidemic, endemic, and pandemic.
The value of the month is tolerance. It has a great significance in the current situation.
We are celebrating the 50th anniversary of Earth Day too. Sustainable use of resources is the need of the hour.
Bird feeder activity. We all wonder what to do with empty plastic soda bottles.
Did you know that only 9% of the plastic get recycled?
I wish you all the very best. It was a brilliant experience. So I would like to know how many of you would actually take an initiative and make a bird feeder. This was my dream come true and you made it happen. I'm so glad. We will inshallah have more assemblies and more children will get a chance. Thank you very much parents and students for joining us. Inshallah we'll meet again.